Hi everyone and welcome to week 4. It's been a gorgeous week here in Anchorage and I hope you all are having a great summer. And I hope you know too that a lot of the important work that happens with writing doesn't have to happen inside in front of your computer. You can use outside time. Hiking and biking are great times to get ideas and to think through some problems you have with your writing. So I hope you're doing a combination of sitting inside and working and also getting outside and having great ideas. This week you're drafting your personal narrative. So this week in media, I have just one very short reading for you that's about the drafting process, and I hope will be insightful for you as you move forward and think about the importance of writing drafts in the writing process. Multiple drafts is the key to good writing. So you're going to turn in a draft to me by Wednesday. So it's okay if it's a crappy, rough draft, but I want you to have a draft on paper that you can work with. Because on Thursday, then we start the peer review. So you will follow the directions here. You'll see that I haven't created the peer review groups because you have to have an approved draft by me before I will put you into a group. So between Wednesday and Thursday, I'll put the groups together and then distribute the papers. But you'll do the same thing in the peer review group that you've been doing in the large and small group workshop, where you're using comments and suggestions to help your peers move their papers forward and to make their drafts better. So your personal narrative will be due in week 5, and that's what we're working up towards now. I hope everyone's having a great week. I'll be in my office hours tomorrow from 8 to 10 if you'd like to stop by.